Good evening and welcome on Top of the Night Show for today. Will be the second day for inside the month of October 2015. My name is Nanedu and of course me, Katim and Easy Beat we don't sit down for
Please
cheer
don't
this
disturb
evening.
me. I'm trying to put my thought in process. I beg you. I'm a writer today. I'm going through okay writers. That's what they do. They will lock themselves inside one village
They always
house.
travel, go somewhere when they say nobody will see them.
I don't know why.
Go get inspiration.
See, they just did a craze. Nobody go know.
Anyway, as last week we tell Pastor Yan not go there around because in the Abuja with the follow talk so he get those way in the teach for Abuja things when they say concern relationship matter he discuss with them on top of relationship. But today you can't gist us waiting in go. We supposed fit call him to take for discuss with him. But anyway, since we not fit, he will go try if we connect to Pastor Yan, we go connect to them. But before then, he get what we supposed to discuss one of these days. But because of the time not today, we don't know how we go take Chukam inside. But today, Pastor Yan not there, we say okay, make we discuss them. Now matter when we say concern one guy when they date one babe, then two don't agree say then go marry. The guy, you know, say them two they do boyfriend and girlfriend, you know, the guy does okay and the guy won't marry be this, you know, all those things. But the guy come begin see something where he not like about this girl. Now, he not know how he go take the girl say he no one marry marry him again. They never marry you. They never marry you. Now the question what they ask on be say, you they do boyfriend and girlfriend with person. Either you be the girl or the guy they do boyfriend and girlfriend with person. And you no one do again with the person. Say you no one marry. You don't engage to marry. How you go take the person?
Say you know they do again.
Say you know they do again. What will be the best way to tell person? Say you know they marry again. That one and another one now will be one this topic. Now two topics we want discuss. The other one about where you meet person where you go marry or if person will. But anyway, we could discuss this one today.
No, we start with this
so
one.
that guy go fit get idea of how he go take role with the waka. So therefore, now the two we go discuss today. We go back small checking break. We could watch one video from Don Jazzy and the Maven crew. When we come back, we'll be going to take on our phone calls. We'll be taking our phone calls and then on top Twitter as well. We'll go take on our answer. Still on top of the night show. That lovely video by the Maven crew and Don Jazzy, Ricardo Banks and Corey De Bello, all of them are into that one. Arise and about the country.
How many people they inside that Maven crew?
Maven, let's say there be 7, I be 6 or 7. Don Jazzy, Tiwa Savage.
That's him brother.
The Prince,
Dr. C,
Corey De Bello. Now 7.
Okay.
And then producer Baby Fresh, Altims, and they see the other people say they're underground. Anyway, now welcome back on top of the night show. What we they discuss today now? Person when they say you don't they engaged to one or two don't agree to marry, and you cause some kind of things where you don't like about the person, where you know say you not go feel live with this person, not go feel marry the person. What will be the easiest way to tell the person say you know they do again? Our phone number there on top of your TV.
This thing can be like some kind of winching. Because these things they happen maybe like 2 weeks to wedding.
No.
2 weeks to you don't do fiancé introduction. It happen like 2 weeks to wedding or 1 week.
Say it always happen. Our phone numbers go there on top of your TV. All through go there on top of your TV. Make you call us so that we will know waiting. You get to talk on top the matter.
Victor Korodudu on top Twitter.
Victor Korodudu say just the way the guy asked the lady out, that is how he should
tell her say it.
Tell her say it. Oh no, you see you they talk about him say easy. Babe, I not do again.
Let's not do this.
I beg. I don't
know this one as a matter of the big show, families don't they involve.
Everybody
don't know you. You don't know everybody.
You never hear the ones where say just marry for you just marry. You cannot come this far and say okay.
So you not go do again.
So you know go come, at least you don't know how him be or how she be.
No, but some people
say marry na management.
But some girls they hide. I don't know why our network our network they disappear. Some girls they hide their own. It don't happen to me.
Okay.
It happened to me.
For Kakuri.
No.
Kakuri na
It's where you grow.
I go partly Edo and Lagos now.
Partly Edo, where in Edo as you know say if you see Edo in point of contact, Nakakuri.
Kakuri.
Waiting be your point of contact back home. I know
The
talk
city
Lagos.
go Teddy secular, you know. Now there we dey.
Wait till me tell the secret.
I
Talk
don't
and where.
know.
Talk and where.
Third East secular. Now there we dey.
Come be like say you dey rap. Tell the circle.
Take
Okay.
it. Call and where.
When you say Kakuri, Kakuri.
Nakakuri na.
Nakakuri.
Kakuri.
I now for nefa. Okay,
Okay,
if let's say I want to talk 880 for Benin, I talk 880.
No,
Or
because
I want to talk
880,
Ring Road
na
area,
880.
I talk Ring Road.
Na
Or Gbo,
880.
I want to talk Gbo for. I go call and where.
Yes.
Okay, wait. Okay, talk Kakuri. Use phone. Talk am.
Kakuri.
Yeah.
Come here, they say calculate.
Anyway, our phone number there on top of the team. Make you begin the call us. Make you know what you dey think on top of the matter. How you go take 10%.
If it don't happen to you, also call us, tell us as you take handle am. Whether you manage still marry the married, or you just been find a way to deal with it.
Anyway, from Ogun State, good evening.
You know some people they set people up.
Can you do good evening?
Osas, good evening.
Evening.
How you
How's
dey?
that side?
How today?
I hope bless God do.
Osas, if
Everything, man.
we thank God though. How today? Oh no wahala.
No, well, I'm letting this disturb Nigeria now.
My brother, rain just fall here.
It's
If I
okay.
rain even fall here now.
Make
sef.
farmers them happy. It's okay. Rain is good for the crop.
You say?
Osas, so yeah, answer us this question what they ask. If now you wait here, how you go take do am?
A very simple issue now. Now, they say affiliate your bed.
And so you go take land on top am.
So if the relationship starts well, you're supposed to know say it will end well. At the end of the day, it's not going to go well. Carry your car, they go your work. Make I carry my car, they go my own.
Now be the question what they ask. Osas, the question what they ask, we say, how you go take do am? Una don dey, you don't tell the person say una go marry you.
Yes,
You probably
ma'am.
don't give am ring go, so una go marry
You
you.
know me. Even though you never born one pikin for you, if river not let person pass, he go return back.
It don't happen to you. You dey talk like say your mouth dey sharp, like say e easy to do. You know say no dey easy to do.
It
those
don't
things.
happen to me now. See.
How you take do am?
Oh yeah, I take happen to you. Tell us.
I get one girl before for Benin.
Okay,
You understand? So we date for at least close to 4 years.
okay.
Suddenly things come to change. Maybe like say, say woman no they follow you suffer. Now when they don't done,
Ha. I beg.
that one are normal. Now they are left.
Not be normal.
Now
But go
normal.
on.
Now few. Now few. At least now 3% before you suffer.
3%.
Oh yeah, talk your story now.
So at the end of the day,
Statistics.
things come to go one kind, and character come to change. I would not promise my mother know, and everybody they come house.
Okay.
So when I say I don't feel understand, I don't feel cope with this thing. I'll carry your material, they go. Maybe I still carry my own.
How you
no,
take
no,
tell
no.
am? Osas.
How you say tell her? Nobody go carry and sit down and say, man, this relationship, I don't tire, I don't feel cope with
How
this.
she been take the news?
Osas, thank you. Austin, good evening from
They
Lagos.
fail exam.
Na so
I
people
know,
dey.
Austin.
Austin, good evening. How you dey?
They do good evening.
Osas, if na you don't enter relationship.
Okay. TV too loud, obviously.
Hello?
Your TV dey on or e dey too loud?
He do they on.
Talk to us. We dey hear you.
I dey hear you now.
Okay. Oh yeah,
This is
talk.
my first time caller.
Hey, you want make we do your work? First time caller, welcome.
You can do that.
Hold
Let
on.
me greet Catherine, my sister.
Greet am before I give you welcome.
Catherine, how about there?
I gonna come me, my mamba, idi oko.
Mana for nangam budget go song for boy.
Hey, so I'm going nam there now. I'm going to okay. I'm going
I represent a Bible very well.
I'm going to say so. Yeah, I welcome you our traditional night show where. Look up.
Nice one. But one thing I want to talk about, mainly do they allow us to speak our language with you sometimes.
I know they stop on
They don't know they stop us now. Is it Yaka? Is it Treke? We don't speak
Sometimes
it
if you want
anyhow.
to follow you talk, if my people won't follow you speak language, me I speak and make it here. You do know the agree.
No, they speak in own now. They speak my own. Is it they speak in own? Is unity diversity now?
Sometimes me they allow you know the rap language with you.
It's okay, okay.
No, welcome on for your language.
Yeah, carry, welcome.
Welcome on for
It's
your
okay.
language.
Now broken they speak now. I know they speak our language.
Okay, we dey hear you.
Welcome again. It's okay.
I like hello.
Hey, we dey hear you.
Follow me talk now.
I dey follow you talk now.
Okay.
Answer the question what they ask.
Okay, the question. Now small thing now that you not take anything to tell
Take
person.
something. No?
But okay, how you go take talk am?
I know they do again, no be fight. I know they do again.
Austin, which area of Lagos you dey stay?
Nah, yeah.
Oh, hey. So you go say you know they do again.
I know they do again. Simple talk. No dey too much. No too much talking.
Even if you're not engaged to marry.
And it no matter. My people, one thing don't come up. I know they do again.
Okay, Austin, thank you very much. We don't hear you.
No big deal. Na small talk, simple talk.
Okay, Yeneka, I see them.
Oh yeah, now.
I said it.
We don't hear you. I see it. America, I see it. Stanley, good evening.
Good evening, Edu.
My brother, how is you? How today?
Fine, no. How was your day?
My brother, we thank the Lord. Not in the fall.
Yeah. I had a question.
Okay.
But no matter what, it's not an easy task.
Bam.
Because one, you did not jump into the relationship.
Like that.
You take your time to toast the girl, follow her from A to Z, follow up, call, make some calls, check her up, take her out, and all those things. So all those stress you went through, like some people say, although it depends, but I don't think even if you caught the girl with another man,
yes,
and even if you want to send her away,
yes,
there's still a due process. There's still a process you take.
Okay.
Can't just force her. Most times it depends on the kind of relationship, because I don't think most people, and it depends on the individual too.
Yes.
There are some people, I don't think a situation whereby maybe you went to work now, you come back, you met your girl you're supposed to marry with another man in your bed.
That one,
and you sit her down and start begging her to go.
No.
No, that one, there's no two ways about
that
it.
That one, I pursue, they pursue.
That one, I pursue, they pursue that one. But in a situation whereby you maybe, because one thing, you have reason for everything. Even if you want to break up a relationship with somebody, there must be a reason for that.
Okay.
So the best thing is to take the person out.
Okay.
Maybe you know what she likes.
Okay.
As a guy, you know what she likes.
Okay.
You can get her a gift.
I
know that. Or if you want to take her out, you can say, let's go out for dinner, or let's go to park or somewhere.
I'll cost my money again.
Wait. Because that's why I say it depends. If maybe they kind of like, maybe as a guy now, you find someone else that's more suitable for you, that you want to get married to. So in order not to break her heart, never, in fact, my colleague heartbreaking, but you put it in a way that at the end of the day, if you see tomorrow, you will see greet and be friendly and all that. So you kind of, you might just go out and you go with her.
Come buy and car.
Played on Williams.
Tell her, there, you know you are the best thing that ever happened to me.
But now,
at the kind of thing, you give her one or two excuses, maybe like, I know that I've loved you, I've been together for a long time now.
By the time you start like that, she go say, so baby, what's the problem?
No, you tell her now, because you know, at the time now, there are some marriage that you see that even if you promise that person, you want to marry that person, but there's some marriage you know that at the later future, it might not work out for you. Or it might not be smooth the way it's supposed to.
So you don't want to take out and buy a flower?
So you can't take out, you can't come out to go buy a flower. So if it's not flower she like, you buy a flower. If she be get well like her, you buy a car.
I don't know.
See, you know there are people are different. You don't break up. A relationship that is moving smoothly, you don't break up just like that.
Okay, tell me it's okay.
Okay, so you now what you go do be this, Abi?
Yes.
To me, I'll do it in a way that if we see tomorrow, we'll still be friends.
Bye-bye.
My brother, congratulations. Wait, you don't marry? You don't marry?
I never marry.
Thank you. Just save money. Save money. Every girl want break up with you. Don't like car. Buy car for them. Don't like iPhone 6. Buy iPhone 6 for them. Bye-bye. We they come job up for break. I don't know if you come there here the waste time they talk to them. Bye-bye. We they come back.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.